Hi guys, today we're gonna do a handgun only challenge. This is a 3v3, so this has to be hard. Okay, bro. Now I'm locking in with handgun. Now it's a 3v2. It's a 3v2 now. With one's dead, and I come to kill the other one. Nice. Now it's a 3v1. Two people rage quit already. Easy win. Let's go on a 3v3 again. Okay. Big arena. Okay. But crossroads is not that bad. Oh, I know where one is. Okay. Okay. My goal is to first kill the level 139. Okay, bro. I rage quit. I'm joining on a different server. I rage quit already. I rage quit. Bro, I rage quit. Wait, my friend joined me. My friend joined me. Where is he? What? It said he joined me. Oh, here it is. Where the heck is he? Oh, he challenged me to a duel. Okay. Handgun only challenge. But my friend's insane, so I can't do handgun only challenge with him. Okay, bro. He's too easy, bro. He's too easy. Why is he not playing good right now, bro? He plays insane. Why is he not playing good? Why the heck is he not playing good? Bro, I'm insane with headshots. I'm insane in headshots. Like, actually, I'm insane in headshots. Once, I saw a guy. A guy in my server was on the leaderboard. He was a top player on the leaderboard. Like, he had a 25,000 win streak. The first top player win streak. Okay, now my friend's playing good. Now he's playing good. I'm not gonna lie, he's playing good now. Okay, nice. I was only 25 HP. 5-2. GG's, bro. GG's. Oh, he wanted to rematch. Sorry. Send me again. Yep. Okay. We're doing crossroads this time. I don't care whatever he says. We're playing crossroads. Crossroads is one of my favorite maps. It's my favorite map. Like, Arena is my second favorite map. Oh man. I didn't even know he was there. What an easy kill. Easy. I don't know why he's playing bad. Like, he should be playing good right now. Wait, let's go to settings for a minute. Crosshair. Let's do color. Colors. I think blue, yeah. Yeah, I'm done. My friend's actually insane with. My friend's insane with battle axe. Like he's actually insane. Oh my god. Bro. Bro, he should be playing good. Why aren't you playing good? Okay, I'm gonna try to no scope. I've only done one no scope in my life. I'm very bad at no scopes. My friend's insane. Okay, nice. Nice, bro. 4-1. GG's. Okay. Last point for me. It's a match point. Match point. I don't even have the one horn yet and he does. He's level 169, so yeah. He got one horn when he was level 100. I just don't want to waste my keys. That's why. Maybe he wants to rematch, I don't know. Bro, just rematch. Okay, bro, he's not rematching. Maybe he left. Let's check the leaderboard. Did he leave? Did he leave? Where is he? Did he leave? I can't even check on the leaderboard. I don't have the leaderboard. Oh, here. I'll go with this guy. Oh, heck no. He's level 134. He just messaged me, are you recording? Of course I am, bro. What do you think? Okay, let's just reply to him. Bro. Okay. Good thing he didn't call me. Bro, what am I sending him? Let's just quickly send him yes. Go back to Roblox. Yeah, okay. This guy's insane. I rage quit already. Bro's not even online right now. He's not on right now. Thanks for playing. Wow. Nah, bro, he's controller and level 102. Heck no, I'm not going with you. Someone's name is Dark. Let me try on someone to a duel. Okay, you can see, you can blur that. I sent and continue. What do you mean? Okay, bro, I just disconnected. He just said blur that. Why would I blur that? He said, I'll teach you. What do you mean you'll teach me? Why do you even need to teach me? Let's join him. Bro, why can't I join? Let's just join a different server. You know what, guys? That's it for today. Bye.